Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. What an excellent expiry, right? I didn't expect this kind of moves in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, we have experienced these kind of moves, but actually today Bank Nifty was not moving much. When you compare it with Nifty, Nifty was moving up and down. It was all over the places. So last week I didn't trade. Actually, if you are following us, last month we made a significantly bad return. Like we made a loss, significantly high loss. So I thought we will just relax and we will just stop trading. Today I started trading, and to my surprise, I have been bearish all these days, and the last 1 week I was telling markets are likely to it's going to be choppy. And even yesterday I told maybe will 16,000 act as a good support, and I was kind of skeptical. I thought maybe this market is bottoming out. Now, if you see today's price action, in spite of Nifty falling more than 250 points, I think Nifty open is 16,120 and it went all the way to 15,900, right? In spite of Nifty falling so much, actually when this Nifty's price action was happening, when Nifty was moving from 16,200, open was 16,200, it was moving towards 15,900. Bank Nifty was not falling. At the same time, India VIX was also not shooting. So that was very peculiar. And yesterday FOMC meeting outcome, minutes, and they told that they are likely to increase the interest rate by 50 basis point, which has been factored into. This is already there. So if they would have told that they are going to increase the interest rate by 0.75 basis point, then that is a negative news. So this 50 basis point is already being factored into, and nowadays Russia, Ukraine, nobody is talking, and even this China has reopened their economy. They have opened the industries, they have opened the schools, they have opened every malls, cinemas. So slowly they are opening every economic activity. So that could be the reason. And what happened yesterday in the US markets. Actually Dow Jones was pretty in the green. It was trading in the green. And today morning I shorted the market, I shorted put options. Like I think, okay, market may be bottoming out, and we started writing put option. I wrote 16,500, 16,700, 16,800, all the way when even when the market reached 15,900, I was saying wrong, 15,900, I was writing 15,500 put option. Then when the market went above 16,000, I squared off 15,500, wrote 15,600, 15,700, and now I am sitting at 15,800 and 16,400 call option, right? 15,800 put option, 16,400 put option. Now the reason why I am saying is I have written 16,900 put option, 16,400 put option is because, so if you see this is the chart of Nifty. This is the chart of Nifty. Open was 16,120, low is 15,900, and close was around 16,200. So a move of more than 400 points in one trading session. And this is Bank Nifty. Actually, Bank Nifty was performing. It was only Nifty which was very kind of highly volatile when you compare it with Bank Nifty. And open, if you see 34,700, low was around 34,428, close was around 35,199. So movement of around 600-700 point in Bank Nifty. Now, if you see this Nifty chart, and let me convert this Nifty chart to a daily chart, and you will observe one peculiar thing here. Now, what is happening here is, now Nifty, if you see it in a candlestick perspective, this is called a hammer pattern, right? So hammer pattern, if there is a formation of hammer, it is likely to be a bullish sign, but we will have to wait for confirmation. That we will come to know tomorrow. Now, this gap between 16,650 and 16,400 is very crucial. So that's why I have written 16,400 call option. This 16,400 might act as a resistance. For now I am saying, if this 16,400 is taken out, then maybe market may go to 16,600 or even 16,700. And if you see Bank Nifty is a different scenario, and actually the gap which was formed on Bank Nifty is already taken out. See here, this 35,523 should have acted as a is acting as a good resistance. Now today's price action, only Bank Nifty has moved more than 700 or 800 points thanks to HDFC Bank, which was up by 2.85%, Axis Bank 2.77%, ICICI 2.12%, and Bank of Baroda, which was a star performer today, it was up by 5%. So Bank of Baroda was up by 5%, right? So all these things are happening. And what to do next? Now you don't tell me that all these days you were very bearish, now you are turning bullish. No. See, whenever I was trading, I was bearish only. Now last 1 week I was not bearish. I was saying markets are going to be very choppy. Market may consolidate, market may move on the sideways. So that is what has happened. Market for the very long time, at least for 7 or 8 trading session, is on a side range. Now it is going to reverse. I think maybe we don't know how things are going to span out. If US futures are firmly in the green, and if we are getting support from global cues, then we may move to where maybe 16,400 can be taken out tomorrow. So that we will have to wait and see. In the meantime, now all this bad news, whatever bad news was there, is being factored into. So I think probably you should be going long in the market, or it might be the time to start accumulating things or stocks, or maybe good things. Now if you see this one, this is the what is that, US futures are firmly in the green. Dow Jones is up by 163 points, S&P 500, Nasdaq, everything is fine. And even if you see S&P VIX, US VIX is inching towards the downside. So these are all the positive things which is happening around. Now I am not saying market is going to go beyond lifetime high, which is 18,600, but market may consolidate. You forget about market going on the upside. Now let it stabilize first. You see the chart, you see the 1-day chart of Nifty or Bank Nifty, see the volatility we have been experiencing since March 2022. Not a single day. It is very, very hard to trade in this kind of situation. And even SGX Nifty is almost trading flat, I think. And hopefully we should see market moving towards maybe 17,000 or 17,500. Like I told, you forget about market going on the upside. Let it stabilize first. Then we can see whether we are going long or we are going short in the market. Now, for now, I believe that 15,900 is going to be very super support. In the near future, I don't think it is going to be taken out. Whatever bad news was around us is being factored into. Hopefully, market may go on the upside, or market may consolidate here and there. And even India VIX has crashed more than 10%. That's also a good news. So I think this is the right time to go long. If you are an investor, buy some good stocks. And if you are a trader, you can short put options. Of course, there is a disclaimer, you will have to do it at your own risk and responsibility. So nothing much For now, we have long in the market. We have returns put option from 15,800 to 16,400. Let us see how things pan out. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.